Alright guys, so now I've done with Ipoh. I'm on the way to Penang. Yay! So anyway, Penang is one of my favorite states. Why? Because of Asam Laksa, Char Kway Teow and Chendol. And maybe the mee sotong lah. Or mee sotong also first class lah. So it's good that since I'm traveling to Penang to do work, of course no work comes with food. So okay boss, pergi Penang eh?
Alright,
Alright.
let's go.
Alright guys, we are on the second link bridge, going to my next destination. What an amazing journey. I think it's around, what's the time now? 1 o'clock. We left at 12 o'clock, 2 hours lah. Wonderful journey. 2 hours, 2 hours, right? What an amazing journey. Alright, we have almost arrived to the next destination. It's a mall in Penang. I cannot tell you which mall. So I need an hour to get all the clues. So Penangians, stand by for your treasure. Alright, we have arrived to this mall. And let's go for hunting. Let's go. Okay guys, I'm in this famous Asam Laksa. It's I think the most famous Asam Laksa restaurant in Penang. But the problem is about this place is it closes on Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday only they open. So we wait for it to come, then you see how nice it is. Cool. Vegetables, very nice. This is the most famous Asam Laksa in Penang. Alright, I'm done with my laksa. The most famous laksa in Penang. The famous of the famous. Now I'm going across to the other side for the most famous kway teow in Penang. It lies in the heart of Air Hitam. I'm going to enjoy my kway teow. This is the most famous place. For me it's famous. I know there are many places which is famous. And I've been coming here since I was 16 years old. 24 years already. Okay. 24 years I've been coming to this place to have kway teow, and it's still the best. The first time I came here when I was 16, 2001. Do you know when was the first time I came to this place? September 11, 2001. Yes, actually I came here September 12. September 11 the first time I came here, 2001. That's the time the aeroplane crashed into the Times Square building, World Trade Center. Times Square building, World Trade Center. I checked into my room, on the TV, see the aeroplane crashing into the building. Okay. Then I think that's September 12 or September 13 I came here. Since that day until today, 24 years, first class. This is the famous Penang kway teow. You see how big the prawn is? Huge prawns. You see how huge? I think got 2 or 3 prawns. The kway teow is awesome. They put lapchong together and prawns, and the taste has been consistent for the past 20 years. Superb. Check out prawns. So how many prawns are one? Got 1 prawn, 2 prawns, okay, two prawns. Maybe economy issue. But back then I used to come 3 prawns. But anyway, good also, I don't mind, but the prawns are big. Prawns are huge. I mean, that time also I come prawn huge, but I think economy useful. Car arrived. Let's go. Goodbye, Penang. Thank you so much lah. Bayangkan jalan kaki parking, aduh.
Thanks, Amirul.
Yes. So once everything is over, Amirul fetched me, but then we had one small problem. Amirul wanted to eat the mee sotong, very very famous. This is a video of him eating mee sotong. After mee sotong sudah habis, we are on the way back to Seremban. Bye.